Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sellers Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to go ahead and pop the top on this 2007 Chevy Malibu 3.5 liter engine and see if this thing is really seized up. Stay tuned, guys. Wow. Yeah. So it's seized. The engine will not turn, and as you guys saw, I went ahead and removed the valve covers, and inside it looked like someone cleaned it, did it not? I mean, there was no oil whatsoever. All of it gone. I might as well have sprayed some brake clean in there or something. It's crazy. So looks like we have to get a new engine for the Malibu, just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. We're gonna go ahead and pop the top on that 2008 the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee as well, and see what we're looking at with that. My money's on a timing chain that snapped a guide, or two of them, because we're getting a big slap, or a bent valve. We're gonna see. I'm excited. I want to see. So guys, if you like this video, it was a nice little time lapse just to show you what we're going through over here to get this Malibu up and going. Stay tuned for the full episodes and nice little shorts along the way to show you what we're doing on a daily basis, you know, trying to get these cars up and going. Man, definitely stay tuned, guys. There's a lot of videos coming out. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, now is your time. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that little bell icon. That way you get notified when I release all my DIY auto repair videos in the future. So we do have those great step-by-step tutorials we come out with as well. Those are twice a week. So at the beginning and the end of the week, I release those. And then we also have our Sunday Automotive Q&A sessions where you guys get the chance to bring all of your automotive questions and engine codes if you're having problems with your car to the Q&A session. That way I can help you troubleshoot and get your car back on the road and not have it cost you an arm and a leg. So guys, thank you so much for checking out another great video here on the channel. I'm Zachary, and until next time, guys, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care, guys.